So, back to what I was trying to say kanina. Guys, nalipong ko guys. Kasi ako, dehydration and then plus the heat index. Yeah, nalipong ko doon niya. Like, I swear, feels na ako, dili na siya in-okay. Pero like, best, I can literally feel it at times na maano siya. Pero like, anyway, going back to Sharp-Face Dilemma, naliwag siya guys. Kasi yung kuhaan kay for Ma'am Claire, kung pink drink ba daw or katong frap na strawberry something ka never root. At first, alam ko na, ay pink drink kay. Tapos, katong, amin ako, ang frap na flavor na yung minapasabot kayo na regular lang or katong common lang na coffee type na ano, kining ang yung flavor ba. Tapos, after that, when I heard her say na strawberry kinamerot, I was like, go for okay, guys, may isa nag-storya. Yes, guys. So, ano siya, guys? Outro po siya, nakatikot siya, guys. Kita na. I don't know if it's allowed or